balance points.
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
Awesome.
Traction control, I think, is off, and wheelie control is off.
Okay, that's fine. Nice. Oh, this is a lot different.
I'm telling you, it's got the juice.
That's a lot different.
It's got the juice.
I'm gonna take it easy.
I've seen you on the dirt bike before. I know you got the skills, but this thing's got the juice.
Yeah, well, it's a 1000 pretty much, so.
You're good, bro. Have fun.
Thanks, man. Ooh, this thing's got some kick. Woo. This is a really weird position. Oh wait, this is my first Ducati I'm ever riding. Oh, quick shifter. Auto blip. Fuck yeah. Okay, Ducati. This thing actually looks wicked, and it's a weird position though. This is what a Ducati is. Okay. Hell yeah. Super comfortable position. My arms feel so just relaxed. I'll find my way back. This exhaust. It's SC. Oh my. Dual SC. Second's a little tough to get up. I now understand why people have their like niches, because every bike has its own specific feel, but it also just makes me want to be like, I want to own everything. It was the way I looked at him real quick, and then he like realized he looked at me real quick, and we both didn't. He just kept the plainest emotion on his face. Actually, I'm gonna keep going. My goodness. This thing is fucking awesome. I don't want to touch buttons. Dude, this thing. Oh my gosh, the exhaust is right there. Just like a dirt bike. Imagine this thing with dirt tires. Ducatis are definitely a little bit weird. A lot of things are foreign to me, like completely foreign. Oh, am I lost? Got a little tune in. That's what I was looking for. Okay. Oh, you're mine. You're mine. I'm on a dirt bike. You're mine. You're mine. Dude. Where's my neutral? There. This thing is really cool. Okay. I know what I'm doing. I had to like, I was like, wait, how did I do it again? I had to remember. Whoa, baby! That's what we were looking for. Nice little comfy one. It is pretty nimble. Yeah. I feel like I feel a little bit more weight. Oh, sweet. It's Ducati. It's amazing brakes. Oh. Did I just find the balance point? The worst pain ever. You're like, I don't want to blow the red light, but like, it's not reading me. This thing's awesome. You're out? Deuces, ride safe, okay? Talk to you. This thing's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, wait, you guys gotta see the exhaust. Excuse me. Look at all that. Did you blowtorch that?
Carson did.
Love it. Whoa.
Oh my god.
Thank you. Damn, that sounds good.
What's up? How's that?
Dude, that thing's fucking awesome.
Really?
Awesome.
I was telling them, we have this whole lineup, and he's like, I'm so excited for that. I was like,
Yeah.
Did they able to throw it up?
Yeah. Hell yeah.
No, no, no.
Everything's gotta come up. Woo.